today I am so loving my hair because I applied Aloe Vera Hair Mask, and that is a DIY, and that is what I will be showing you for today, so stay tuned. So this is the mother aloe vera plant, and I will get the leaves that I will be using for my DIY aloe vera hair mask from that plant. You know, it's thriving really well. And those are its babies. You know, I just repotted them 2 days ago. So of course, I'm gonna show you how I cut the leaves. I use a very short knife and I choose old and healthy leaves that are located at the bottom part of the plant. Now let's take out the thorns on both sides of the leaf. So we use a knife and slowly and carefully peel the thorny side. So I cut it into half. Be careful. And I cut it into half again so that I can get the flesh, the aloe vera flesh. Use a spoon to scrape the flesh out from the aloe vera leaf. So ta-da! I'm done with my 4 leaves, and this is how the aloe vera flesh looks like. It's very sticky, slimy, whatever you call that. And my baby loves to watch slimy videos on YouTube, and that's why she loved to watch this again and again. So these are what we need for our hair mask: the aloe vera gel or flesh, olive oil, and virgin coconut oil. So to make this, we need a blender. We have here a blender. Let's just put all the aloe vera flesh inside the blender. So look at how slimy it is, guys. Wait, don't touch it. Wow or ew? So I have here a coconut oil. I'll put